first thing was like, setup. I said, well, if you actually move closer to the frontier, if you actually move into the front yard, you will have more sun. You will considerably expand the range of crops that you can have. That was the perfect spot. So we cleared out that spot, and instead, that's where the foundation were created. You always prefer to have your garden in the backyard, to grow your vegetable in the backyard. But in fact, they realized very soon that it could be actually very pretty to have a little vegetable garden in the front yard. A foundation with gravel and a border made out of lumber. So that means that whole thing is actually on the plain level. I recommended that they purchase this kit from EarthEasy. So this is an 8x8. With what I like is it has a deer fence actually, which is attached to it. And here you are in the garden. It's very easy to tend. That's about 2 feet wide, so you can basically reach anywhere on the garden. It's a 45 square foot gardening surface. You can actually grow a lot in a garden like that. Here they had peas, and they had spinach, they had carrots. Pretty much everything worked well actually during the springtime. Then when summer came, what we did is we started to plant cucumbers here. So they had a very nice season of cucumbers. And we kept the tomatoes for these containers and the metal one. It's a Vigo metal raised bed. You see little foundation here as well, also done by the same contractor. So again, lumber edging, gravel, and then we laid the raised bed on top of it. So this Vigo thing is great because you have some trellises which are very easy to install. So this is a great thing to have to plant peas, to plant cucumbers, to plant tomatoes. Nice romaine actually. So this is all nice. We have some arugula. We have, if I remember correctly, here they have seeded some carrots. You have all the equipment actually provided from the EarthEasy kit. So that's a watering kit. Here they have some drip line actually, which is a great way to water your plants. So I also help them create a little pollinator garden actually. So you see it right now is the moment when you have this beautiful purple aster which are in bloom. You want your tall plants toward the north or toward the wall of the house, and then you want to go further with medium and then smaller plants. This is exactly how you should plant a pollinator garden. I can do a garden like this for you. You just need to reach out to me and we'll work together.